Welcome back now to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's bowl off with some cricket news. The Jamaica Scorpions were beaten for a fourth time this season in the Cricket West Indies 4-day championship after a crushing 212-run defeat to the defending champions Guyana Harpy Eagles before lunch on the fourth and final day of their sixth-round clash on Saturday at Sabina Park. Jerome Foster reports.
A day which started with hope for the Scorpions ended in despair within 2.5 hours as the home team crumbled from 123 for 2 to a tame 206 all out. West Indies Test player Kirk McKenzie, 39, and Brandon King, 13, resumed in pursuit of an improbable 419. King was castled by Niall Smith for 20, and that was the beginning of the end for the hosts. King can feel aggrieved as Smith cut the back crease, which means it should have been called a no ball. McKenzie fell at 127 for 4 for a top score of 40, and the home team lost 2 wickets for 4 runs to start the day. Isaiah Thorne then left his mark on the game with 2 wickets in 2 balls, and the writing was on the wall for a heavy defeat. After dismissing Abhijay Mansingh for 17, Thorne removed the Scorpions' leading scorer Romain Morris for a first ball duck. Scorpions stuttering at 159 for 6. Derval Green tried to delay the inevitable, but the match was completed at 7 minutes after 12 when Pete Salmon holed out for 30 off Gudakesh Moti, who, along with Kevin Sinclair, had 3 wickets apiece. The Scorpions folding for 206.
Very disappointed, especially the position that we're in the first innings, having them 60 for 6, and for them to make 424. It's unacceptable in any cricket, and it really put us on the back foot early in the game. So it's very hard to play catch-up cricket in 4-day cricket, and unfortunately we couldn't come up with a result. Obviously, we started today in a decent position. The game was balanced. So obviously, me and Kirk, we wanted to build a partnership and bat the first session at least, and see where we're at after the first session. So we lost 2 early wickets, and we didn't get to build any partnerships after that. So it's a problem that's been plaguing us. We really need to address it.
We have the quality in our team. We back our players, and we all believe that once we do what we do well, which is stay disciplined and consistent, we do well against any team. So we back ourselves much more early than we expected, but nevertheless, confident that we would have done it.
Scorpions captain Brandon King said one of the controllables cost the team in a major way, especially after the Harpy Eagles were reeling at 61 for 6.
I think we need improvement in all aspects. The first innings, we dropped about 7 catches, so that's very important. They gave them that big total. In both innings, we didn't bat well. It was a good batting pitch in my opinion. We definitely should have made more in both innings. So with those 2 major things, you will lose games.
The Scorpions close out their season against the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force next week. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.